Dude, we got a bum motor. Ooh, look at these craters here. What's going on, guys? So before we even get started today, huge announcement. We got some new hoodies. Go on curllifestyle.com, get yourself a new hoodie. As the front of it, show you a little, oh, you can't even see it on the back. Get a quick picture of the back. Quick picture of the back. Hey. It's legit. Color and design. Be sure to get yourself one. But today, Adrian's painting, subs, what, like subframe and all, engine bay parts, stuff like that. We'll take a quick look at the finished product a little bit. Look at that blue. So fresh. But today, Kadeem's not even here. But we're gonna tear into his 1J right away, get rid of all the unnecessary stuff. Like I think he wanted to do a J-pipe delete. Gonna get rid of the AC belt, all the automatic transmission lines, and just clean this up a little bit. All right, first what we're gonna do is we're gonna take off this belt here. We're gonna take off the AC. Just texted Kadeem, he actually is gonna just keep this for now, just so he could get the car running. Gonna do this whole build like somewhat on a budget, cause I can't use all his money like he usually uses mine, but that's not a problem here. It'll get rid of all these lines here, this whole big contraption as well. Literally all you're gonna do is just tighten this down all the way. This will pop back and all this will just come loose. There we go, AC's out. Got my assistant Will out here, yeah! So just taking like all the automatic transmission stuff, the lines on that side. We're gonna bag this out here. Just taking all these crummy like lines all over. We'll take all this out. This is coming out, all these lines are out. Will's doing a little bit of detailing there. Sooner or later we're gonna wait till we get all the parts for this, because we're gonna have to change from front sump to rear sump, and we'll probably have Kadeem come over here in a little bit to start working on this as well. Look who we got here. Oh boy! By force, not by free will. What are you doing, Kadeem? You put this on already? All right. Yeah. So we blasted this. We're gonna put another probably wire wheel to it again, just so it's a little bit cleaner, but it looks a little clean. Next thing we gotta do is take out these old motor mounts here and take out this little downpipe, and that's it. Kendrick, how bad is a bent tube? Because I dropped Kadeem's motor yesterday and it like the face is priceless. All right, we got the valve covers off. Literally tearing apart this whole 1J here. Got the motor mounts off. Well, I just got to take off one bolt on this. Kadeem went to go pick up his motor mounts, and then we'll probably take this off as well and just cover this up. That way we could blast the valve covers and get them nice and painted. Kadeem's still here. Ricer at heart. Ran into another problem like what I had with my 1J, was that Kadeem got the motor mounts, and that one he has you have the correct one on there? Yeah. All right, I got the correct one on there, but this one, even though they always say they're made for the 1J swap, they're never made. So we're gonna have to extend this part, bring it over, drill 2 holes. That way we can put it on the right side. You're not gonna weld it, right? I'm gonna weld it because I'm a welder. So drop it in the comments down below if you're a welder. I'm a welder. I'm a welder. If it's not my car, so if it breaks, that's not on me. Yo, I'm a grinder, my guy. Grinder app. Hey, hey, big dicks. Hey, dude. Bad news. Dude, we got a bum motor. Damn, yo. I'm proud of you, Kadeem. Kadeem working. I'm eating.
Would you have something on the pizza out your hand?
Dude, I had something on the pizza. I don't know if it's on the motor, though. Could be. This is why we can't get anything done. Alright, go ahead. Oh! Sign came out. Oh my god! Nah, it's good. Sounds so loud. Hold on. Wait, do it again? Look at this. Fan's going. Alright, next up we're gonna do is we're gonna take out the whole underside. We're gonna take out this oil pan, take out everything underneath it as well. And then I'll do the welding while you do this, Kadeem, alright? I'll do the welding. Oh damn, I already lost the bolts. It's alright, you'll buy new ones.
We ain't worried about it.
Money Man Kadeem. Alright, let's go.
Ready?
Yep. A little bit of oil. It's not too bad. There we go. Now we can take this off underneath. Alright, you got the rest, Kadeem?
This is gonna sit here.
Damn. R.I.P. 1J. There we go. Pickups all there. That's all.
1,000 horsepower pickup.
I'll give you $2 for that. Alright, let's put all these screws together. Now, we can go ahead and take off the lower portion of this. That's a 12 mil, Kadeem.
You have it.
Broken. There we go, last piece of the puzzle. Hell yeah. Damn, alright, nice. Got this all done. Kadeem's getting the rear sump for this from what? SC300?
SC300.
SC300, so we can put that on.
We'll turn it back over here. We're gonna put in bearings, get the crank done.
And put in a K20 swap. True. So we're gonna have to keep this.
You mind putting it up here? Motor for sale.
500 bucks right now.
Come take
cash. 500?
500.
500, come take it. Alright, well, that's pretty much all of it. All we gotta do now is just a waiting game for some parts.
You gotta pull like...
Had to hire some photographers out here. Damn, that's just legit, okay.
That's a rental.
But, just gonna do little photo shoots just for the hoodies and stuff like that. So be sure to pick yourself up one. We go in the Skyline. Got the Z, got Kendrick's 240. Let's hope it turns on. Alright, put your seatbelt on.
Oh my, this don't have seatbelt. So, first time getting on, how'd it feel?
Dude, it actually felt really good. That was literally the first time I went through like all the gears. Like, no fucking like boost cut at all or anything.
$10 for you bought that life.
This is a one-legger. This ain't definitely not good. So I was also having a problem where the car was debeating, and I'm just gonna put bigger tires, fatter tires on it, just because the car's not so cambered out and so slammed. Hopefully nobody's here working, so we can do a little photo shoot. No respect.
Yeah, go for it. Should be
so these are the old school. Definitely get one of these. He's doing a little photo shoot. Because Kadeem's paying for that. Doing a little shoot with this.
We'll put it this way. Since it's the holidays and you guys have all been awesome, use discount code DANG for 10% off all hoodies right now.
It's about to go up 10%. Woo! Let's see if this heat works. I doubt it. Of course it starts. It's a 1J. Look at that.
Water temp. You see
300. We overheating. Oh, damn.
Yo, I don't want to be that guy, but you promised me heat.
Yeah, it's gonna rush my coolant, so.
I came on a premise at $10 if you bought that life.
I don't think it's gonna do it.
$10 if you bought that life.
Damn, why the fuck? Oh, one leg.
You gotta do it the other way.
Yeah.
in front of me and shit. I mean...
Hey, what up? We're back.
He wants a hoodie.
Yeah.
Whoa, what size?
What size you want?
We got big boy friendly.
Large.
Look at that. Homies supporting homies on the East Coast. For sure.
Alright.
Are you already explained what happened?
Yeah,
everything?
What happened to the other one.
Okay.
Yeah, so.
Full house today. I think my buddy Dan's here because he brought some goodies. Hey, hell yeah. Bring the drift cars out. Feels like summer already. You good right there? Yeah, boy. What is going on? Long time no see. If you guys don't follow my boy Dan, sickest drifter out here. A-class boys. Got Travis out here too with 2JS13. We'll go run up real quick. Look how clean this is. I'm already hyped for spring, guys. Look at this fitment. Ooh, I think VSKX's, XX's, VSXX's, that's what it is. Look at that. Woo! We were just talking about like his, I think he did speed hut gauges here. Damn, he has heat because this feels so nice and warm in here. Oh, 240 problems. Gotta slam it. Here we go. But yeah, 2019 is gonna be awesome, guys. I can't wait. So the homie Dan blessed me with this Mishimoto like this. Now we could not worry about any overheating. Get some fittings for it, and this should fit pretty nice. So the reason Dan came today was, of course, he had to come and get some hoodies. So like I said before, if you didn't already, go make yourself an order and get yourself a hoodie here. Ooh, look at these craters here. Crazy. All right, yo, I'll see you. Yep. Be sure to give my boy, like I said, a follow. All right, let's get out of here. Yo, could be you. Yo, 326 swing, that's what you need. Damn. Hell yeah.
Yeah, he got some nice
That's
wheels.
what you need. You got work wheels too. This could be you, Dylan.
Yo, where'd you get these bum ass wheels from, yo?
Yo! Damn, yo! Viewers about to watch it because they got this. These were Jimmy Oaks' wheels. I'm about to tell them that. He said they were bum ass wheels. Yeah, because who curb rides them? You. Damn. Don't know how to drive. Get out of here. You got that air ride suspension. All right.
Did I bring my
Fire up the company vehicle. All right. Everything's all said and done in here. We're about to just go get some food probably. But like always, guys, like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for more. Get yourself a hoodie if you haven't. Happy holidays. Get yourself a slap sticker. We got plenty of those. Take care, guys.